Welcome to our channel, where we make car maintenance easy and approachable. Today, we're diving into a task that seems small but makes a big difference in your driving experience: replacing your car's dome light. Whether your light has burnt out or you're looking to upgrade to LED for a brighter interior, this guide has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need for this quick and satisfying project. Grab your replacement bulb, make sure it's the correct type for your vehicle, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves to avoid any smudges or damage. Ready? Let's get started. Ensure your car is off and safely parked. It's a simple step, but safety always comes first. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the dome light cover. Insert it at the edge and gently work it around until the cover comes loose. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. With the cover off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Use your gloves for this part to avoid direct contact. If it's hot, let it cool down first. Then, take your new bulb and slot it in place. It should fit snugly without much force. Now simply pop the cover back on. It should click into place easily. Give it a gentle tap to ensure it's secure. And just like that, you've got light. Turn your car on and admire your handiwork. This simple change not only improves visibility, but can also enhance the overall feel of your car's interior. Thanks for following along with us today. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical car maintenance tips. Drive safely, and see you in the next video.